Turn around. Hold on. Turn around. I see it, Tushy!
Oh!
Where did your undies go?
Oh, I see your tushy still.
Oh no!
No,
Oh
your
no!
undies.
Turn around and shake your tushy. Turn around and shake your tushy. Shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. And then go like this, Abigail. Go like this.
Smack your tushy.
Go smack, smack, smack.
Like
No,
this.
no, no. On your tushy. On your tushy.
Oh, pull up your pants now.
Good little tushy.
Pull them up all the way in the back.
Hey, I still see tushy in the back. No!
Uh-oh.
Ay, ay, ay.
Oh no!
Uh-oh, Daddy's gonna eat your tushy. No. Say, Daddy, that's my tushy.
That's my tushy.
Okay. Look at Mommy. Look at Mommy. Mommy wants to ask you a question.
Come here, baby. Come here for 1 second.
Go,
Ay, ay, ay.
Mommy wants to ask you a question.
Come here.
Look, go to Mommy.
Abigail, do you want to blow bubbles on Mommy's tummy?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Yes? No, don't lick it. Go. Go.
Oh!
Tickles! Oh, it tickles! Oh, it tickles! No, don't lick it. Don't lick it, Abigail. Hey, that tickles! You want to give me a kiss on my tummy? No kisses for the babies? You want to say hi, babies? Okay, but do you want to say hi, babies first?
No.
No? Say bye-bye, babies.
Baby.
Sleep tight.
I don't know.
Let's see babies.
You want to see the babies again? What do you Uh-oh.
Oh!
Here, let me have the water. Okay, alright, she's drinking rain. Close it. Very good. You want to see babies again?
No.
Okay.
Abigail, where's the container with all the cookies inside?
Oh, we put the cookies back on the tray. Okay, you want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's lie Big Girl down. Let's put the water over here. Open up the diaper, right? We lift her legs. Big Girl's not very bendable. Oh, sorry, baby. Yo, yo. Sorry, I
Big
pushed
girl's not
you.
very bendable like
Yo
Mommy?
yo.
Yo yo.
Oi, oi, oi.
Yo yo.
No, say oi, oi, oi.
Yo.
Okay, now we put one part of the diaper there.
Oh,
Hey, oh no. Oh no, what happened to the other side?
Mommy forgot how to put the diaper on.
No, it's kind of difficult for my angle to do it. And this doll does not bend at all. Okay,
Okay.
Big Girl has a diaper. Let's turn
Okay.
her face. Ooh. Ooh.
That was such a big job to put a diaper on the baby.
It is when you have to turn.
I check.
You want to check? What are you checking for?
Cuckoo.
Did Big Girl make a poo-poos in her diaper?
And
Abigail, did Big Girl make a poo-poos?
I'll check.
Okay.
Where is it?
Here. You check back here. You turn her over. And you check back here. You look inside. Did she make a poo-poos?
I'll check.
You check. Did she make a poo-poos?
She has to take the diaper off. No?
No. I'll pull it down. I
Okay.
need help.
Go put her in the buggy.
I need help.
Well, you
With
cannot
what?
pick her up.
Yeah.
Yes, you can pick her up.